This is Classical Historian's Ancient History Go Fish game. It comes, like all of our Go Fish games, with a little history book. In the beginning of the book are directions for the different games that you can play with our card games. And then there is a paragraph written which describes the history behind each of the cards. So as you play, you learn. Each of our card games comes wrapped, and here are our card games displayed on the table. Categories 1, we have cards from ancient Egypt. Category 2, Mesopotamia. 3, ancient Hebrews. 4, ancient Asia. 5, ancient Greece. 6, Roman Republic. 7, Roman Empire. 8, prehistory. 9, Native American homes. 10, rivers of early civilizations. 11, political leaders. 12, 7 continents.